What if the future of our region hangs in the balance, dependent on how well we connect ideas, people, and investments? Without that connection, opportunities risk slipping away, and growth could remain trapped. Today, I'll take you through the Regional Investment Roadmap for 2026 to 2035, where vision must meet action, or transformation may never begin. We face a unique landscape with significant potential, from our growing population to our strategic location. However, we also face real challenges like infrastructure gaps and human capital constraints. The priority is to ensure that investments create meaningful connections across our sectors and communities.
True transformation requires a collective effort. Teachers, planners, and leaders build human capital. Investors deploy capital into integrated value chains, and citizens act as the ultimate participants in our economy. Simply put, transformation requires the collective we. Our vision for 2035 is clear: to be recognized as Southeast Asia's leading hub for resilient, ethical, and sustainable investments. With a target of over 550 billion pesos in gross regional domestic product, we are working to reduce poverty and integrate into the global market.
Momentum is on our side. From record-breaking investment approvals in early 2026 to historic milestones in peace and stability, the region is moving forward. The question is no longer if we grow, but how we sustain that growth.
To grow, we must avoid the fragmentation trap. Isolated investments often hit a ceiling due to infrastructure or regulatory hurdles. Without synchronized development, we cannot reach our full potential. We have established the Regional Economic and Investment Ecosystem Framework. It connects our resource base, value creators, support grid, and market expanders. This framework ensures we don't treat sectors as isolated silos, but as part of an interconnected whole.
At the center of our operating system is moral governance. It acts as our ethical compass, promoting transparency and trust. By prioritizing inclusivity, peace, and resilience, we ensure our growth is both stable and equitable.
Our foundations start with our resources. By leveraging our renewable energy mix and our rich agricultural base, we are positioning the green economy as a significant revenue generator for the region. Our transformers are the engines of value creation. Through initiatives like the Bangsamoro Halal Park, we are converting raw materials into premium exports, ensuring that the economic benefits remain right here at home.
Our enablers are constructing the support architecture we need. By front-loading investments in digital connectivity, physical infrastructure, education, skill development, health, and social protection, we are removing the bottlenecks that have previously limited our growth.
Our connectors bridge local value to global demand. From the Brunei Darussalam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, East Asian Growth Area trade corridors to the United Arab Emirates and Gulf Cooperation Council markets, capturing global Islamic demand, and even to Muslim-friendly ecotourism, we are actively linking our unique offerings to the world. Finally, our financiers provide the capital bloodstream of our economy. By aligning financial structures with Islamic values and ethics, we are fostering financial inclusion and building long-term cultural trust. If you believe transformation starts with people, show your support and be part of this movement. Together, we are building a stronger, more resilient future for the region.
Can strategic connectivity truly integrate economic zones and unlock growth? To succeed, we must confront the issue of trapped value. We cannot export what we cannot move. The Integrated Economic Development Strategy embraces an infrastructure-first approach, building digital backbones and transport networks as the foundation, paving the way for agro-industrial scale-up and regional transformation. The key insight is this: decisive action requires synchronized ecosystems. Isolated investments quickly hit capacity ceilings, but when foundations, enablers, transformers, and connectors work in harmony, value compounds without limit. At the core, this demands moral governance as the operating system guiding every decision. By 2035, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao will be recognized as Southeast Asia's leading hub for resilient, ethical, inclusive, and sustainable investments. This is our shared vision for the future. Pause for a moment. Think of one challenge we must overcome to achieve this vision. Progress requires reflection and collective problem-solving. The aftermath is about communities transformed. When financiers, connectors, and communities synchronize, the results are deeply human. By integrating 20,000 local enterprises into larger value chains, we aim to drop regional poverty incidence from 55.9% to 34.8%. Human capital is our bedrock. We are investing in the entire life cycle of our people, from universal safety nets to resilient livelihoods, targeting over 75% functional literacy. This builds the institutional capacity and adaptive systems necessary to power a modern industrial economy. Think about your own role, whether as a planner, investor, or citizen. How can you contribute to building this shared future? We are already seeing victories: stronger distribution networks, integrated export and economic zones, and a more resilient human capital base. Our strategic options involves multiple pathways, but our analysis reveals that the highest leverage lies in option 4, the integrated ecosystem development strategy. This approach weaves our green, halal, and infrastructure goals together to prevent systemic bottlenecks. While isolated strategies excel in niches, only the integrated ecosystem strategy consistently performs across all 7 dimensions, from economic impact to identity alignment. Performance metrics demonstrate that our integrated approach is the most effective path forward for the Bangsamoro. Our framework provides a structured way to evaluate and implement our goals, ensuring every investment contributes to the bigger picture. The power lies not in isolated projects, but in scaling together through Sharia-compliant financing, robust regulatory architecture, and a shared vision for prosperity. Our journey proves that transformation is possible when vision, strategy, and people align. The story doesn't end here. It begins with you. Together, we are laying the groundwork for a brighter future.